Hello, Math 7 students. We are beginning our 13th video, and the name of the lesson for our 13th video is Relating Scale Drawings to Ratios and Rates, and we can find that, for me, on page 32 of my comp book. So I'm going to turn there now. All right, and it says Relating Scale Drawings to Ratios and Rates. Okay, so basically, how many of you know what a scale drawing is? If you don't know what a scale drawing is, then guess what? You're in luck, because that's what this lesson is all about, is knowing what scale drawings are and how they are related to ratios and rates. So our goal today, we are going to learn how to identify a reduction or an enlargement of an original. So basically, there's an original real-life thing, and then they draw a picture of it. And you're supposed to take your knowledge that I'm going to teach you today and decide, is the drawing that they drew a reduction or an enlargement, okay? The question that I want you to be thinking about today is, how do you tell if a scale drawing is an enlargement or a reduction? Very interesting question. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with your eyes. All right, so let's do some vocabulary words really quickly so that maybe by the time we get done talking about the vocabulary words, you will be able to answer that question. A scale drawing, like I said earlier, is a drawing, sorry, that sounded weird. A scale drawing is a drawing that has been made smaller or larger than the original. Okay, so we have the real thing, and then we draw a picture. The picture is either smaller or it is larger than the original thing. An enlargement is a scale drawing that is bigger than the original, kind of why enlarge means to get bigger, right? A reduction is a scale drawing that is smaller than the original. So that means that the original looks bigger than the picture that it was drawn. So you're drawing a picture and you're shrinking it down. You're making it smaller, okay? I do have some examples of this, and yes, I did draw them. This is actually a sticker, okay, that I found. And so the original is the actual sticker. And then my job was to show you these examples, was to do scale drawings of them so that you can see the difference. So this is the original. Look at it really good, okay? This is a scale drawing that I drew, all right? And my question to you is, what does it look like? Does it look bigger or does it look smaller than the sticker? If you said smaller, you are correct. So what kind of scale drawing is it? It's a reduction. That's right. Nice job. So remember, if the original looks one way and the drawing looks smaller, then you have a reduction. Okay, now let's look at this one. This is another scale drawing of the sticker, okay? And this is my other picture that I drew for you. Okay, this is a drawing. Now I want you to compare them. Compare the two. What do you notice? What do you see this flag is to this flag? If you said bigger or larger, you are correct. So what is it called? It's called an enlargement. Very good. Okay, that's it, guys. So in today's lesson, what's going to happen is you're going to get a whole bunch of practice problems where all it is pictures. And your job is to decide, was it a reduction or was it an enlargement? Was it a reduction because it's smaller, or was it an enlargement because it's bigger? That's the only thing you're going to do today in today's lesson. So hopefully you can answer this question right here. I'm going to be checking in the morning. How do you tell yourself if the scale drawing is an enlargement or a reduction? You better have your answer by tomorrow. All right, that's it. I hope you guys are learning what scale drawings are and how they are determined if it's an reduction or an enlargement. And then when we get up here where it says to ratios and rates, you're going to learn what the ratios and the rates have to do with scale drawings. That's kind of fun. Okay, that's it, my dears. See you all tomorrow. Bye.